Andy just called me and said the Mercy is ready to test drive. Now, if it drives, we're good. If it doesn't drive, I'm gonna need a refund. Oh, shit. Well, it works and it doesn't work. And we're back with another Mercy video. Technically, the second video, maybe even a third one. This car is actually now here in Vegas at the Royalty facility, where Andy is gracious enough to offer his services to unbond these panels, and we're gonna get this thing all dialed in. Now look, I got all the parts right over here, okay? We're not gonna do anything with that. This is for sale. Anybody wants it, let me know. We gotta put the axle in, and that's what the goal for today's video is, to get it on the lift and double check all of Mike's work. Now, it doesn't currently drive forward because I'm pretty sure that this is the new axle right here. Looks new.
I can already hear stuff in the back behind me, clunking and clinking.
So the broken axle must still be on the Mercy as we speak. Essentially, a straightforward job. We're gonna put it on the lift, take the axle out, double check everything's tight, make sure it's legit, and then we are going to see if it drives. Now, if it drives, we're good. If it doesn't drive, I'm gonna need a refund. I do not want to repair this fender. Now, this one here, I still don't have a decision yet. I think we can repair this fender. I think we also should just remove this and just replace this fender. That one is not damaged, so we're good. Front of the car is in good condition. We have the oil cooler that goes there, and we have the other little fan thing that goes here. So what we should need is just a new one of those, and put the side skirts back on. One of them has a small crack. It'll be easily fixed, no big deal. Let's put it on the lift. Okay, so first impressions, we got a red wire over here that's broken. Okay, we figured it out. Can you fix it?
You got a new one, right?
Yeah, that's what I mean. Can you fix it?
Sure.
Okay. Other than that, look, we got that suspension piece up there that's new. They pounded this back together, but then ended up buying a whole new assembly here to replace it, because I have the old one. I have the old shocks, they have the old everything. So technically we're good. We just got to fix this wire right here. And Andy, I think you're good at that. So you can probably get that dialed in. I was worried about that. And this is the delete kit. So Damon sent me the front pieces, the axles, the diff, and everything that go right there with the bracket. So we're gonna be able to put this thing back to all-wheel drive. There's a brand new oil cooler sitting back there. You just mount that thing back in and pop it on. You know, in the front, there's like stuff that was mounted there, and I can't really remember. So we've got, these are the brake duct coolings. This right here, I don't know. We're gonna unbox that right now. Okay, we got this fancy headlight. Now these are $15,000 a piece, so let's not drop this. Okay, all right, what else is in here? Oh, we got the other, this is probably worth like 3,000 now, right? If the good ones are 15, that's gotta be at least 3,000. This is probably worth like $1 million, okay? Ooh, carbon fiber door sills. All right, hood hinges. We could fix these. Oh, this has gotta be at least $800 of the headlight here. Okay, good. And we have the oil cooler, factory Lamborghini oil cooler. Andy, call me back when the axle's in, and then let's see if this thing runs and drives. All right, we're gonna take a small break from cars. So everybody watching this video that only watches it for cars, shut off the video now. You're not gonna wanna see it. I just got a call that some special firearms that I ordered like millions of years ago have just come in, and we're gonna go pick them up. So, you know, I'm kind of like a cars, guns, you know, cool stuff type kind of guy. So we got all the Terran stuff right here. This is all special order. I've already got, because of Mike, a Sand Viper, right? But my boy John at TK422, who makes the custom safes and is currently building out my gun room right now, he builds all that wild stuff for Terran, and he kind of called in a favor and got me like the Terran starter kit.
Big favor, bro. It's a solid thing.
the Terran starter kit. So we've got almost every gun the Terran's currently making. We haven't gotten their tactical shotgun yet, but that one's coming. So right now we've got a bunch of Glocks. We've got the Staccato, which is the Pit Viper. What is the Sand Viper made out of?
Same gun. That one's the one they did for John Wick. It's not optics ready.
Okay.
Because it was the whole thing about them filming. It's
Sure.
like, it's almost the same gun.
The Pit Viper and the Sand Viper are essentially the same?
Yeah.
Because the anodized bronze and all that stuff,
Yeah,
that just
like
the
the
Sand Viper was
flowing
just
comp.
super...
Yeah, and I guess for the movie, there's something about like them filming that movie. They
because
did
the
want him
gold.
running optics or something like that.
Makes sense.
And black, yeah.
Okay,
True.
yeah, that's filming stuff. We don't need to worry about that. But anyways, Mike had this special Staccato made. Let's show it to him. Oh, look, this is just ridiculous.
It is.
This is a 2011, right?
Yeah, Staccato P 2011.
This is
24 karat gold.
so nasty.
That is gorgeous.
Yeah, this. How much is this?
All in with the gun and everything, probably like almost 5G.
That's not even that bad. Oh, this is like a $3,500 gun.
So that's it's like a 2000, mid 2000.
Okay,
gun.
so to make it cartel style, you just double the price.
pretty much. Yeah.
Like it.
There's like it's like 40 something hours.
Sounds like they made money.
I'm sure they have. Hopefully
they made a lot.
Hopefully
of
everybody
money.
makes money.
But honestly, Mike, you're probably the best all-around gun store in Vegas.
Thank you,
I mean,
man.
I've gone to a lot of gun stores,
Yeah.
and I only feel comfortable shopping here. It also smells good in here, and like there's not some like crazy people going on, so that's really a good thing too. And everybody that works here just likes guns, which is great.
I mean, we'll all just kind of hang out. It's good.
First class service. I actually don't have a lot of room because I decided to put a massive amount of subwoofers in the back of the Phantom. So I got 4 Utopia 10 sitting right there and 6 Mosconi amps. We basically eliminated the entire point of this car, which was to carry people and their luggage. Later, brother.
All right, dude. Hey, take it easy, man. Good luck with that thing. Hey, when you get the room set up, call me.
Saturday. I always really love to give my friends and people that super deserve business shout outs, whatever you want to call it. Mike, he owns Ventura, along with his business partner, Tim. The best guys that I've met in the gun industry so far. And I stick to that like with everything I got, man. They're super dope. So if you need guns, it's on Russell and Valley View. Oh, sorry. It's real close to the stadium. Really easy to get to, Ventura Munitions. Now, since we've got a car full of guns, we need to go and put them somewhere. Andy just called me and said the Mercy is ready to test drive, and he believes it might actually work. So 5 minutes from now, we're gonna be in a Mercy. And we're back. I didn't even see the wheel come off because I wasn't here for that part. I went shopping by myself. Because I can't take Tony with me anymore, unfortunately, because he's a bad influence. He always tells me not to buy new guns. No, that's what I call. Andy, is that a bad influence?
Very bad.
Yeah,
How many does he have?
exactly.
Guns.
How many does he have?
Not enough.
How many does he shoot?
I don't know.
None.
Yeah,
It's art, Tony. Anyways, Andy, how did it go?
Took longer than I expected it to because I couldn't figure out how to get the axle out, but after removing the rear shock, it came right out.
So where's the old one?
Right there.
Is it broken? Looks broken.
There's no little bulge or anything on the side of it.
Dang. Sucks. Well, that means this car should drive. And I'm gonna try to do that right now. Because what is fixing a car like this if you can't drive it in the process? Yeah, we don't need these anymore. We don't need this anymore. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. I told you it worked.
Wonderful car.
We got some lights on the dash, but I'm thinking that that's because half the car isn't connected.
The only one that's relevant is the gas light.
I think that this is loose right now.
And he's fixing something.
Better put the front lift up.
Does work. I told you it worked.
I believe you. No. Oh, thank you. It actually doesn't work. Oh, shit. Well, it works and it doesn't work. The carpet.
Wow.
The carpet was jammed up into the clutch.
That was a spin. Where were you going with that one?
Like I literally, like all the pedals just jammed together and I couldn't touch anything. The brake and the gas, and it just died.
Yeah.
I think it needs an alignment.
I mean, you can kind of tell.
No, it's like not that bad. It's just everything's like a little broken.
Yeah.
You know, like everything right here is just a little broken. Some lights on the dash. The front lift is still up.
Oh, great.
Well, that was very short-lived, but also kind of fun. I honestly don't know how to drive a manual transmission car, so I gotta learn somehow, right? The reason the car was driving so funny, besides the carpet and all that stuff, is these are 13-year-old tires that are completely dry rotted and worthless. So we're gonna take it back out probably tomorrow when Luke gets here.
It's safe to say, guys, those tires are done.
The engine light's on and the throttle bodies, what's happening is like I either have to go full pin the second I'm on, it's closing the throttle bodies and the car's dying.
Yeah.
So like, and I can't hold it in a solid drift, you know, like
Right there, it was holding us at like 3,500 RPM.
Yeah, I was trying.
He
It was
was
really
like,
close.
He's like, get to 9, get to 9.
Yeah, it just sucks, but whatever, dude. I mean, we got some cool shots of it just to spin it around. Now, let's send it off and get this carbon fixed so we can do this the proper way.
Maybe some new tires.
Nah, we don't need tires.
No, just leave it like that, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we're good. Just like that, she's back on the road.